Space is silent. At least, that's what we've always been told. No air, no medium, no way for sound to travel. Which means no explosions, no screams, no noise at all, just complete silence. But that's not entirely true, because somewhere in the universe, something happened that created the loudest sound ever recorded. A sound so powerful that if you could hear it, it would shatter everything around you. This didn't come from a star or a supernova. It came from something far more extreme, a supermassive black hole. Located at the center of a massive galaxy cluster, this black hole released an enormous amount of energy. Not in light, not in heat, but in pressure waves. Waves that moved through the surrounding gas. And those waves are the closest thing to sound in space. Scientists detected ripples spreading through the hot gas of the cluster, expanding outward like the aftermath of an explosion. But this wasn't a normal explosion. This was a cosmic event on a scale we can barely imagine. The energy released was so immense that it created a wave equivalent to a sound, a deep, low-frequency tone, far below what human ears can detect. If you could somehow convert it into something audible, it would be a B-flat. But not just any B-flat. The deepest note ever associated with a real object. A sound nearly 1,000,000 billion times deeper than what humans can hear. And it didn't last for seconds or minutes. It lasted for millions of years, a continuous ripple, spreading across space, the most powerful sound ever produced. But here's the strange part. Even though it exists, you would never hear it, because space doesn't carry sound the way air does. There's no atmosphere to vibrate, no molecules to pass the wave along. So even though this event was unimaginably loud, it happened in complete silence. A silent explosion louder than anything we've ever known. If you were somehow placed inside that galaxy cluster, surrounded by the hot gas carrying those waves, you wouldn't hear a roar. You wouldn't hear anything at all. But your body would feel it, the pressure, the force, the energy moving through space. Because sound isn't just something we hear, it's something that moves matter. And this moved entire regions of a galaxy cluster, pushing gas across hundreds of thousands of light years, reshaping the environment around the black hole. This wasn't just noise, it was power, on a scale beyond comprehension, and it reminds us of something important. Space isn't truly silent, it's just silent to us. There are events happening right now, waves moving through gas, plasma, and energy, creating vibrations we will never directly experience. The universe has its own kind of sound, its own kind of rhythm, but it exists in a form we can't naturally perceive. So when you imagine space is completely quiet, remember this. Somewhere out there, a black hole once released the loudest sound in existence, a sound that lasted millions of years, a sound that shook entire galaxies, and yet not a single living thing ever heard it. Because in space, even the loudest events in the universe happen in silence.